Welcome back to Charisco Crypto. Guys, welcome, guys. Let's discuss. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. Let's talk about everything else that is happening in the world of crypto, guys. The market is down, Bitcoin is down, altcoins are down. So what is happening? Why is the market down? So those are the things we'll be looking into today. So Bitcoin, Bitcoin just doing his things. That's why we're in October, so which is usually a bullish mode for Bitcoin and crypto. Guess what? A day like today, so Bitcoin is down with a few thousands of dollars. So not just Bitcoin, you all know. So once Bitcoin is down with a few percent, most of the altcoin will be down like double digits. So why is the market down? Why is Bitcoin and crypto down? And then where should we be heading up to? And what should happen next? So is the dip over? So let's look at those metrics, those data, what the data are saying about Bitcoin and crypto. As you can see, Bitcoin is trading below $108,000 right now, which is crazy. So let's look at why the market is down and what should be happening next. So let's look at the data. So guys, share the stream. So let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. Let's talk about everything else that is happening in the market. So you all know I will always be here every single day to let you guys know what is happening in the market. You know, so why is Bitcoin and crypto down today? So let's quickly look at the market performance. The fear and greediness is crazy. It's crazy out there. So as you can see, there is fear in the market. So there is fear in the market. So just a week ago, the fear and greediness was above. The fear and greediness was above 60 just weeks ago. But guess what? The fear and greediness just did below 40. It's now between about 32. So we sound crazy, but guess what? So that is why I'm here to let you guys know what is happening in the market and where we should be heading up to next. So Bitcoin is trading below $108,000, Ethereum trading between about $3,800, and most of the other altcoins are down double digits. But guess what? First of all, I want you all to know that President Trump just confirmed that the U.S. is in a trade war with China, and you already know that so war is not good for the market. Yeah, guys, I see the chat. So drop your question on the chat if you have any question. We'll be doing Q&A before the end of the stream. So let's look at why the market is down today tremendously. Not just Bitcoin, the altcoins are down. There's one asset which is skyrocketing. It's gold. Gold is trading around about 4,300. It's now almost about $300. $4,300. Gold is around about $4,286. So which is almost about $4,300. That is crazy. But guess what? Bitcoin usually follow. So President Trump just confirmed that the U.S. is in a trade war with China, which we all know that war is not good for Bitcoin and crypto, not just Bitcoin and crypto, the stock market as well. So war is not good for Bitcoin and crypto. It's not also good for stock market. So guys, there's something I want you guys to know before we dive into the market. There is unlimited fiat out there. The government, they spy it up. They keep printing more money every single day, but you can't print more Bitcoin. Bitcoin is 21 million that will ever be in existence, and you guys already know that. So unlimited fiat, but 21 million Bitcoin that will ever be in existence. So guys, before we move forward, I want to quickly show you guys this. So what you guys are seeing on the screen. So we have 21 million Bitcoin that will ever be in existence, but guess what? So unlimited fiat. So guys, this hat here, big chart, my streaming coin is live on Pump4, as you guys can see. So the market is down today, but guess what? Big chart is still sitting between about $14,300 market cap. So if you ever need some meme coin to add to your portfolio, get some big chart. So I want you guys to know that get some big chart, guys. Get some big chart if you need a meme coin to add to your portfolio. So coming here, despite the Bitcoin is down, but Bitcoin hash rate hitting all-time high. Bitcoin difficulty hitting all-time high. Yeah, guys, you are welcome. Kingdom, Slave, Princess, you guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. Guys, smash the like and smash the emoji as well. Make sure your notification bell is on so that each time I'm live, you guys will get notified. We can discuss the Bitcoin and crypto together. Let's discuss Bitcoin and crypto together. Guys, a day like today, I understand that your portfolio is down with about thousands of dollars. This is why I'm here. If you are holding a good amount of money in crypto, for sure your portfolio will be down with thousands of dollars. I myself, my portfolio is down today, but I'm here to keep letting you guys know what is happening in the market. So why the market is down? There is a trade war that is going on between China and US. But guess what? Not just that. We have most of the way which are taking profit. Those big boys, we have most of the big traders which are taking profit is on chain. Some of them taking profit with about $500,000, taking a profit, selling some of their Bitcoin into stable coin. Why is that happening? That is because if history is on our side, we don't have so much time left. Most of the big crypto traders already understand that a Bitcoin will usually follow 4-year cycle. But you guys can see Bitcoin hash rate keep skyrocketing, which show that more miners keep coming into the space. Yeah, guys, I can see most of you guys are watching from S, aka Twitter. If you are watching from S, guys, retweet the stream. So make sure you're also following me on YouTube at Charisco Crypto. So every single day I do live stream where we discuss about Bitcoin and crypto. So guys, share the stream with your friends and family. Let them know about one of the best performing assets in the history of mankind. Despite Bitcoin is down with a few thousands of dollars from all-time high, Bitcoin is just down with about 15% from all-time high. But guess what? It still become one of the best performing assets in the history of mankind. Over the past 7 months, Bitcoin has created about 37,000 millionaires. There's no any other asset that can create such millionaires than Bitcoin. That is because Bitcoin is rising from nothing to something. Bitcoin has been existed for the past 16 years. But if you look at the chart, Bitcoin is been going up in value. Bitcoin is one of that asset that don't follow the hash rate, which is what you guys can see here. Bitcoin network keep getting stronger and stronger and stronger every single day. The market is down today because we have more sellers than buyers. So we have some way which are taking profit today. But we also have some positive news in the market. MoonPay just launched MoonPay's commerce. So as you guys can see, commerces which are bringing a crypto payment to the global mainstream. Yeah, you all can see, we still have more positive news in the markets every single day. It's just that Bitcoin keep doing his things, which he know how to do better. So Bitcoin keep doing his things, keep playing his games. That's because, for sure, there is volatility in crypto. I keep saying it every single day. Despite those bullish news, MoonPay, launching a MoonPay's convention to bring crypto's payment to the global. But guess what? Bitcoin is down today. That is because we keep following the Bitcoin 4-year cycle. And you guys, if you have been watching me for a while, you will totally understand that I'll be talking about cycles. Bitcoin usually go with 4-year cycle. If history is on our side, we are in the last phase of the cycle. But guess what? Why will you be scared? That Bitcoin is down with 15% from all-time high. It's an opportunity to buy more Bitcoin to accumulate as much as you can. Each time the market dip down, embrace it and DCA dollar cost average in the market and hold for a long time, which is why I keep saying, don't go all in. Don't invest your children's school fees in the crypto space. Don't invest any money which you know you need it in the next few months in the crypto space. It's very, very important. So invest the money which you are willing to lose. I'm saying that is because because the market will always have up and down. So despite the up and down, Bitcoin will keep going up in value. I think at least highest the next bull market, which will be happening in the next 4 years, Bitcoin will be trading between $500,000 to $1 million per coin. So don't be scared. Bitcoin is here to stay. We still have a long way to go. Not just Bitcoin. not just a Mupe, which is making a huge partnership, as you all can see. So giant ACI. So as you can see here, payment giant ACI worldwide, partnering with BitPay to expand its crypto's payment solution for merchants. We also have some positive news, more partnership. Why those big boys keep making those partnerships is because, they totally understand that Bitcoin is here to stay and we have a long way to go. We also see that, the founder of Pump Fund, Elon, I heard that he get arrested. And they will be investigating a pump fund, which is why, those are the things that also contribute to why the market is down today. I think a pump fund will get through this for sure. As a founder, Elon totally understand that, a time like this will come, so which he will go through this some kind of difficulty. And I think, Elon will go through this. So those are also the things that contribute to why the market is down. But guess what? We have some positive news in the market. MasterCard taps a Chainlink CCIP to connect 3.5 billion users to Web3. I keep saying it, you guys already know how I believe so much in Web3. I'm a great believer of Web3. So, which is why my streaming coin, which is a long-term project, as you can see, I'm streaming to Pump Fund right now. So, my official streaming coin is called a BChat. So, what's your Pump Fund gets on BChat, guys? It's a long-term project. So, 30% of the supply is already locked, as you can see. So, there is nobody who is holding a huge amount of it, which who will dump on you, as you can see written on my heart here. So, BChat is my official streaming coin. Get some BChat from Pump Fund, guys. It's very, very important. It's a long-term project. So it's just this city below $20,000 market cap. Guess what? We'll be taking it to millions of dollars market cap. It's possible. That is because the plan is to be using at least about 20% streaming revenue from Pump Fund, buyback and locked, which is why 30% is already locked. 30% of the supply is already locked. So get some BChat. If you need any meme coin to add to your portfolio, make sure you get some BChat to your portfolio. So guys, you all can see here, MasterCard, they just made a partnership with a Chainlink, so to connect 3.5 billion users to Web3. Web3 is the future of finance that will give power to the masses. I keep saying it. So I'm so bullish about Web3. I totally understand, mostly like NFTs. Like NFTs are down right now. And so many people think that NFTs are dead. No, NFTs are not dead. Don't forget, 2017, when people was giving out their NFTs out for free. But guess what? Even if CryptoPunk, which they was giving out for free a few years ago, CryptoPunk is still trading above, between about $100,000 per a JPEG today, if I'm not mistaken. So we can quickly look at it. So let's quickly look at CryptoPunk. I'm on OpenSea. Let's see tops here. OpenSea. Let's look at CryptoPunk market cap. Let's make a research before we move further. I want you guys to see that, despite the up and down, Punk, you can see here, CryptoPunk is still around how much? 2017, people was giving out, the floor price of CryptoPunk is around the top offer is around $176,000. Now, I remember 2017, people was giving out their CryptoPunk out for free. But guess what? CryptoPunk as of today is still trading above $170,000 per JPEG. So don't think that Web3 is there. That is because NFTs are down for now. No, that is crypto for you, which is why I keep saying each time the market deep down, you embrace it, accumulate as much as you can. Don't invest more than what you can afford to lose. Buy and hold for a long time. For sure, you will be in profit. Imagine CryptoPunk, which people was giving out for free in 2017, is now trading above $170,000. That's because it's down. 2022, when NFT was up, CryptoPunk was trading around that about $500 million per JPEG. But $500 million per JPEG. So guys, we still have a long way to go. Don't be scared this year and hold for a long term for sure. you will be in profit. Coming here, Theta minted about $1 billion a few hours ago. This is new money keep coming into the system. You know, that's because so many people still believe in Bitcoin. They still know that Bitcoin is here to stay. We have a long way to go, despite the up and down. For sure, Bitcoin will keep going up in value. We may pull back. We may have you know, a good pullback below $100,000, which I think is possible, but it may not be. Let's quick. When I was looking at the chart about a few hours ago, the chart still showed that so Bitcoin may be trading a sideways for now, but now to the end of the year. But next cycle should be starting from 2016. We have a good pullback, which I said I will be starting my DCA portfolio. You guys who have been watching me, I said my DCA portfolio will be starting from 2016. That is because if history is on our side, for sure, 2026, you need to have a good pullback 2026. Then we accumulate, creating a portfolio worth about $10,000. The plan is to be adding $50 to the crypto market at least once in a week. You may decide to be buying at least $20 worth of Bitcoin, $30 worth of Solana, on some other altcoin. So once in a week, buy down and buy up, create a $10,000 portfolio, and when the market is up, that portfolio should be at least about $80,000 to $100,000 portfolio. So you guys can see the big boys keep printing more money. So Theta added meted about $1 billion just a few hours ago. So stay strong, keep DCA. Yeah, volatility is real in the crypto space. If there is no risk, there will be opportunity. It's simple. So every single day I keep seeing it on X, aka Twitter. So many people say, "Oh, I was not opportunity to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin was trading around $1." But this question you need to ask yourself. You need to ask yourself this: if you was opportunity to buy Bitcoin when Bitcoin was around $1 per coin, so would you have been able to hold your Bitcoin to date? It's simple. There are so many people who was opportunity to buy Bitcoin when Bitcoin was $10. But guess what? They already sold when Bitcoin was around $20. Today, they are holding zero Bitcoin. They are holding nothing. So buy and hold for a long time, is one of the way which is still profitable. Strategy CEO Michael Saylor, he said he will keep buying and buying and buying each time the market deep down. So stay strong. Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. So it's simple that the market is down today because the way the institutional investor, the big boy, are taking profit. So stay strong. Don't be scared. For sure, we have a long way to go, guys. So, guys, once again, before we do Q&A, we'll be doing Q&A shortly. If you have any question, drop your question on the chat. So let's do Q&A. But before then, I want to quickly remind you guys once again, as you can see, BChat is live on Pump Fund. So if you need a meme coin to add to your portfolio, get some BChat, guys. If you have any question, drop your question on the chat, guys. So let's discuss Bitcoin and crypto. Elon, the founder of Pump Fund, you see you as well. There are rumors that he get arrested and they will be investigating Pump Fund. He also contribute to funds in the crypto space. And President Trump said that yes, the US are in trade war with China. So we also have the big boys taking profit. You can also see the fear and greediness now almost below between 30. Just a week ago, the fear and greediness, 2 weeks ago, the fear and greediness was above 60. So stay strong. Let's do Q&A. Guys. If you are watching from S, guys, retweet. Yeah, what are you doing? Matthew, Sitan, leaving it to you all, guys. Guys, I can see most of you guys are watching from S. Guys, head over to the YouTube channel, Charles Go Crypto. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Share this stream with your friends and family. It's very, very important as well. You subscribing and sharing the stream. It also give you opportunity winning some BChat end of this month. So we'll be giving out some BChat, which is this toolkit which I showed you guys just now. So it gives you opportunity to win some BChat as well. Ending of this month, so I'll be giving out some BChat to you guys who always share the stream, who always make sure turn on the notification bell, who always tune in every single day, guys. I don't lie though. Son, how are you doing? Camaro, how are you guys doing? Victoria, it's been a while, guys. Guys, retweet, 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 retweet. Share the stream. Let's do Q&A. Sorry, guys. It's spreading out there. The market is down. You guys can see the chart. This was just about a few days ago. Bitcoin dipped down to $102,000. So which is about 5-6 days ago. Bitcoin dipped down like never before. Pulled back from $120,000 to $102,000. So guess what? We have about $90 billion sweep out from the market, which has never happened before. It's crazy. So that's because there was so much people playing with high leverage, trading with high leverage, and those people get liquidated. Which is why I keep saying those market makers, they keep playing their games every single day. You can't outsmart them. Sometimes you'll be winning as if you are using a high leverage to trade. You may win for 1 week, 2 weeks, but guess what? When those market makers they will try their best. One day when they see that there's so much long in the market, they dump their Bitcoin and crypto, they whip out the traders, which is crazy. So one guy unalive himself because he lost about $30 million, which is crazy. So guys, stay safe out there. Don't trade with high leverage. DCA and hold for a long term. People who make money in crypto are not leverage traders. Should look very well. People who make money in crypto are investors. People who invest and hold for a long term. Those are people who are fucking rich like never before in the crypto space. So don't be scared this year and hold for a long term. For sure, you will all be in profit. Camaro, Victoria, Zadi, how are you all doing? Favor, Faith, First too. So how are you guys all doing? Bimbola, David to you guys. Oh, J-Boy, yeah, guys, greetings to you all. Oh, guys, share the stream, share the stream, share the stream with your friends and family. Let them know about one of the best performing assets in the history of man. If you know anybody who is bit scared right now, Bitcoin having a pullback, tell them that they should stay strong. For sure, Bitcoin is coming back up once again. That is Bitcoin and crypto for you. If there's no volatility, everybody will have been crypto. For sure. The volatility in the crypto space is real. So one, Chris Faber, how are you doing? Naomi, how are you guys doing? So guys, I can see most of you guys who are watching from S, guys. If you are watching from S, also follow me on YouTube at Charesco Crypto. So each time I'm live, because 99% of the time I can't stream to S, follow me on YouTube, Charesco Crypto. So each time I'm live, you guys will get notified. We can discuss Bitcoin and crypto together, guys. So stay strong out there. I'll be streaming on Pump Fund later in the day as well. So get some B chart. It's very, very important. Get some B chart. It's a meme coin. So if you need any meme coin to add to your portfolio, get some B chart, guys. So see you guys here on YouTube tomorrow. Stay strong, DCA, and hold for a long term. For sure, you will be in profit. If you're just coming into the crypto space and you need an exchange which you can be using to DCA, Binance, BYBIT, I think they are a good one. There's a link to sign up with a BYBIT in the description of this video. So sign up with your email, create a strong password, and then guess what? After that, you do KYC. So after the KYC, you have an IBAN which you can use to deposit $2, $3. Each time the market dip down, you can add some few dollars to Solana, SRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin. This year, then when you understand the market, you can decide to go all in. But to me, it's never too late to get into crypto space, to be in crypto space. For sure, you are still early. If you are in the crypto space today, you are still early. So guys, see you guys tomorrow. Charisco is out. I will be streaming on Pump later. If you want to join me on Pump, there is a link in the description of this video from YouTube. If you are watching from S, so there's also a link in my bio on S to join on S. aka Twitter. See you guys later. Charisco is out, guys. Sure, just coming, guys. We watch the stream. Stay strong. Don't be scared. Once again, you are all smart and intelligent with Bitcoin and crypto. We will all achieve a financial freedom. Charisco is out, guys.